In our last video, we discussed how you can publish several papers from a single thesis or dissertation. And in this video, our prof is going to take us through how you can easily find free journals where you can publish your work, either Scopus journals or H-index journals. So if you really want to know those journals or free journals that are available online, or you have already prepared your papers but you don't know where to submit to, then stick to our prof will take you through on how to search for journals online, especially the free one where you have to pay nothing for publication. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Research and Analysis. My name is Dr. Kamran. Recently, I received so many comments on my videos related to how to find out appropriate journal. Here, I want to clarify, I'm not expert of everything, and without understanding your requirement, I'm not able to recommend you any journal. Because in different part of the world, universities prefer different indexing. Some universities, they prefer Scopus indexing, while other, they prefer the journals to be indexed in Web of Sciences. So eventually, it is you who will decide whether a specific journal is fulfilling your requirement or not. In this video, I'm going to tell you a technique through which you can find out fast track and free journals, those who are indexed in Scopus or in Web of Sciences. In this video, my focus is on this database ScienceDirect, but obviously you can use the same technique in other databases as well. So once you will open this web address ScienceDirect, so it will take you on this page, and on this page you can see here are four main categories: physical sciences and engineering, life sciences, health sciences, and finally social sciences and humanities. In fact, it is covering all major disciplines. By default, it is clicked on physical sciences and engineering. See, it has provided us 1943 publications options related to chemical engineering. So it includes both the journals, books, and so on. But we are only specifically interested in journals, so we will select journals. If we are only interested in those journals that accept submissions, then we can select this accept submissions. In terms of access type, we have two options: open access and contains open access. If we are only interested in open access journals, we can select first option. Otherwise, we can select second option, because all journals provide this option to publish in open access. But to publish open access, you need to pay a very high publication fee. I am selecting this second one, contains open access. So see, now it has provided us 93 journals, those who are accepting submissions, and they contains open access. From this list, we can open any of these journals to see their further requirements. For example, we are opening this journal, Bioresource Technology. This journal have only 3 days time to first decision, and the review time it takes on average 21 days. And submission to acceptance, it's on average only 44 days. This is really amazing, by the way. And the time it takes from acceptance to publication is also only just 3 days. To explore it further, let's just open View All Insights. See, from here you can check its aims and scope. You can also click this View Full Aims and Scope. This is the ISSN number, subject areas. These are the areas this journal is covering. This is the impact. If you want to see site score, it is 20.8. If you are interested to publish in a Scopus Index journal, so it is Scopus Index and having the site score of 20.8. If you are interested in Web of Sciences, so this journal have impact factor 9.7. In terms of publication, it provides us two options. First is open access, but to publish open access, we need to pay around $5,000. But otherwise, we will not need to pay any fee. So this is amazing option you can consider. As you can see, the publication time is also perfect, and the impact factor is also really great. And the good thing is there is no publication fee for this journal. Now let's explore another discipline, health sciences. And from this list, let's select nursing and health professions, because I have received so many requests from this category. From here, again, journals, accept submissions, and let's select both open access and contain open access. From this list, let's just open American Journal of Medicine. See, it has the site score as well as the impact factor, and wow, that's amazing. the only 22 days from submission to acceptance. I think this is the fastest journal that I have ever seen, and the good thing is there is no publication fee. So you can consider this journal as well. Now let's explore this journal, Advanced Exercise and Health Science. Actually, there is a reason behind showing this journal, because you can see there is no site score or no impact factor. It doesn't mean that it can't be indexed in Scopus or it can't be listed in Web of Sciences, but most probably it's a new journal, so you need to check its indexing manually. I will provide the link of my 2 videos in which I have explained how you can check whether a specific journal is Scopus indexed or indexed in Web of Sciences. You can use the same technique to explore other disciplines as well, like life sciences. In life sciences, you have many categories, and in the same way, we can also explore social sciences and humanities. And in this discipline, you can explore the journals related to arts and humanities, business management and accounting, decision sciences, and so on. This is how you can find out fast-track journals without a publication fee and those who are indexed in Scopus or Web of Sciences. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.